Quiet on the set. Thank you, Michael. NewRocket Managed Services enables clients to maintain and unlock the value of their platform. Managed Services ensures that your platform is healthy, secure, and up-to-date and highly available. It also allows our clients to really focus on their business and allowing the running and maintaining and caring of the platform to be done by a partner such as NewRocket. A key differentiator for NewRocket is Advantage NewRocket, where we have platform optimization, which is a review of your platform instance, as well as a review of the health of your instance, which allows NewRocket Managed Services team to put together a platform optimization plan that aligns with your business outcomes, as well as being able to measure the value that we are able to drive on the platform. Additionally, we have Ask the Architect, which allows one of our managed services architects oversight across the solution and design, as well as providing recommendations, guidance around best practices on the platform. And thirdly, we also include our CodeWorks application, which is real-time feedback for our developers in ensuring quality code. Does a customer need to keep their platform healthy, updated with good governance, staying up to date with patches in your releases, timely responses to break fix and support issues, and as well as maintaining the platform to changing business needs? If that's what the client needs, then NewRocket Managed Services is a fit.